Yes, indeed. Once again, it's your boy, Papa Gato Got Kicks, here with another unboxing and review. So yesterday, the man from FedEx pulled up with this package here. See, I like that, tamper resistant. So you know they ain't mess with my stuff. This actually showed up a lot quicker than I thought it would. This company is known, well, to me anyway, for kind of taking their time sending stuff out. So I didn't anticipate getting this before Christmas, but another Christmas miracle. What can I tell you? Get this bag real open, show you what we got. So, nice box. Almost has like a leather feel to it. Pretty dope. I don't know if you can see it there, but you already know that company. It's a beautiful thing. Nice quality box. Everything about them is all quality. Jordan 4, size 10 in the dark mocha. So, these, oh, look at that. Beautiful. Some artwork in the inside. See, it's a shame that I don't keep boxes like that because this is a really nice one. But as I always say, it's not about the box, it's about the kick. So nice individually wrapped. It's probably something fancy. Yes, indeed. That's a nice color. Here you go. Little hang tag. Air Jordan 4, Maniere, dark mocha. We got some nice wax laces on there. Pretty sure it comes with at least one other pair of laces. I got to dig in the box for that. But here we are. Got a nice stitched A on there. A lot of people are comparing these to the Cave Stones. Nah. Cave Stones are nice. I like them. I love that colorway, but these are something different. These feel like real kind of quality, a little more premium. Premium's the word I'm looking for. Little premium nubuck on this. If you see behind the netting, you actually can see the little Amas back there, the little A's, which is that logo right there. I mean, damn. So it's like very dark brown, got the violet hits, like they're always messing with purple and violet. I guess that's the color of royalty. Got the Nike Air on the back. I mean, listen, the last 3 Jordan 4s that I got from Ama, matter of fact, let's see, right here. So we got the While You Were Sleeping, beautiful kick. Quality's insane on these. And the Violet Ores, also another beautiful kick. But you see, they're always dealing with that purple, those purple hues. I like it. You know, it's not a color that's often used in sneakers, but they always pull it off nice. Yeah, I mean, damn, these are really beautiful. Glad I picked these up. Definitely a nice addition to the collection. You know, Jordan 4 is my favorite silhouette. I mean, that's pretty much all you can say about these girls. 10 out of 10 for sure. Anyway, we got one more kick coming up. It's en route, so expect one more review for the year at least. I'm also going to do my little sneaker of the year reviews as soon as I can. Shout out to Hibaro PR for this shirt. Fly Puerto Rico themed stuff. You know I'm a Rican, so gotta represent. Anyway, it's your boy, Papa Gato Got Kicks. Like, subscribe, tell a friend. Peace.